Okay, what's going on, everyone? What's up, traders? What's up, tycoons? We're going to look at Lossless today, okay? Ticker symbol LSS. Breaking down the daily chart, I'm going to give you guys the three major retracement levels using the Fibonacci retracement tool. All right, this tool is very, very useful. Nothing's going to move in a straight line up or a straight line down. What you're going to see is a move up, retracement, continuation higher, or a move down, retracement, continuation higher. Once you break through those levels, those retracement levels, right? So if we retrace and then we break through them, that's when we can get a reversal and create a high and a higher high. That's currently what we're looking for right now on Lossless. We're right in between two major zones. We're heading up towards our major retracement levels. I'm going to give you guys the breakout level to the downside as well as the upside for creating new highs or new lows. And then we'll go over some bearish price targets and bullish price targets as well. We'll also take a look at the MACD and show you guys how you can use this to spot possible entries and exits. So make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, because you'll learn a lot in a very short, condensed video on some of the strategies and weapons you can bring to the battleground that is cryptocurrency. I like to say it's like trading is like going to battle. It's like going to war. You need to have the proper weapons, and you need to know how to use those weapons. So first off, what we're doing is we're tracking this move to the downside. We had a sharp move to the downside, okay? We're retracing right now, which is very normal and very healthy. So we're not really in the process of a breakout rally. We're in a healthy retracement, and we're continuing upwards to our 38.2 retracement level right around 0.166. So what that means is you need to be cautious in between 0.166 and 0.190. In between these levels, we're going to be at our major retracement levels, and this is where we're going to determine, are we going to retrace, continue the downtrend, right? And if we do, I'll go over the price targets to the downside, or are we going to break out of our major retracement levels and possibly try to start a reversal? Okay, so I wouldn't try to go long at our major retracement levels, because there's a good chance that we could be heading back downwards, and you don't want to get caught trying to chase the breakout, right? Rather, wait for it to come through here, flip our retracement levels to support, and then continue up higher. And then, you can use these as stop losses on your way to the upside. Now, remember, none of this is financial advice. This is just going to be more informational on, some of the strategies you can use and how to use them, right? So let's go into our bullish price targets. If we are able to break out past our three major retracement levels, we need to get past this level right here, which is going to be 0.229. All right, this is our most recent high. If we're able to create a high and then a higher high, that would be a reversal, right? Anything high, and then even if we break out to up to here, this is still going to be a lower high and ultimately keeping us in the overall downtrend. So, we need to get past our major retracement levels, and then we need to come up here, test our previous high, and flip it from resistance to support. And then we can come up here and hit our bullish price targets of 0.257 and 0.272. Okay, now to the downside, if we are in a trend continuation and we're going to continue heading to the downside, our breakout level of support is going to be 0.127. All right, we tested that level previously here. That was our lowest low. All right, and we were able to get a little bit of support and start rallying. So if we break out below there, we have support to the downside of 0.117, 0.112, and then ultimately 0.105. Those are going to be all of your price targets to the up and to the downside. Now, if we look at the MACD, okay, what you pay attention for and what you're looking for on the MACD is going to be your MACD sell signal, right? It's no secret that we're in a crypto winter, we're in a crypto bear market. So I particularly like to use it in this environment for the exit signals. Your exit signal is going to be when this red line crosses below the white line. As you see here, we got our exit signal, okay? And then we had a sharp move to the downside, and we came and established that new support level, all right? Over here, we can take a look. We got another MACD sell signal. Okay, and we see the red line cross below the white line, and that happens right over here. Okay, so we have the red line, boom, comes down. Here's where our crossover is, and you can see we have a sharp move to the downside afterwards. Now remember, this is the daily chart, so this takes a while to play out. But over an extended period of time, right? If we look, our MACD sell signals right here in August of 2022, and we come down to create new lows in the middle of September, right? So within a month span of our getting our MACD sell signal, we dropped a significant amount, right? If we take out our measuring stick right here and we'll measure the move from the open of this candle to our lows, that was a 32% drop. Over here, we have a very similar thing happening, right? We get our MACD sell signal, we'll measure from we got it on which candlestick? We got it on this candlestick right here. So we measure the open down to the lows, and that was a 37% drop. Okay, now take a look at what our MACD is currently doing. It's currently trading above. So we have good momentum, right? We're on the upside. We're staying above the white line. What we want to see is it continue to do that and head up towards our major retracement levels. Now you need to be cautious and be on the lookout for a MACD sell signal and it crossing down below the white line. If it crosses below this white line here, that could be an exit signal, and we could repeat the pattern of what we've done in those two examples I just gave you guys of the MACD sell signal, right? We had over a 30% drop both times. If we take a look at where we're at now, again, we're not trading below it, right? It's showing good momentum and it's in an upward direction. But just from right now, all the way down to our support level of 0.105 is a 29% drop. So, if we do get some type of a 30% drop, it would make sense that we come down to these bearish price targets. But for now, we have good momentum. Okay, the red line is trading above. We have some good things we're looking for, and we really want it to come up to 0.166, test this level and break through this resistance level and flip it to support and continue to do that with our three major retracement levels. Otherwise, we won't get a breakout and we won't get a reversal. These are going to be all of the necessary steps we have to do to end up getting a reversal and making a high and a higher high. Now, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'm doing viewer requests every single week. This one was a viewer request, so all you have to do is comment down below on your token and your cryptocurrency, and I'll make a video as soon as I can. Appreciate you watching. If you made it this far, you're probably going to enjoy one of these next two videos as well. So make sure to click on one of those.